Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Gavin's Garage. Today we're going to be load testing the Honda 3200i using the RV. We're testing this thing. We're going to try to run two ACs, the refrigerator. Most people running this generator are going to be using it on their RV and fifth wheels, trailers, and home backup or camping. So I'm going to show you what it can run. Just a light test, nothing to overload it. We'll probably get close to the overload. It is 2800 running. So let's see what we can do. Let's see how it runs it. Let's see how it starts to load. The best thing about this generator is it's app based. We'll be able to use the app to see exactly what it pulls. All right. And I also have my meter over here so we can see exactly what we are getting. Guys, let's get this test started. Let me go ahead and fire up the generator and let it warm up for a little bit before we do the test. Go ahead and switch this to on. See right here, we're pulling right about 720 watts. That's the battery charger, putting out 125 volts, 8 amps. First thing I'm going to do is do a dB test at this load. Okay guys, we're right about 23 feet. About 54.6. Let's get inside the RV and turn on the first AC and the refrigerator. Okay, first thing you can see, pure sine wave from the Honda. Turn the refrigerator on. Still pulling right around 300. We'll come right here and turn on the AC. Got one AC on. This is a 3000 watt generator. I'm going to run one AC and the refrigerator. Okay, so that's just the fan. And there you go. The compressor came on. So you can see it jumped up right about 1200. Went down to 1100 and a half. All right, so we got the refrigerator, the AC. Let's see if it can handle the microwave. Let's put this right here. Got some water. Okay, guys, before I do this, let's go back outside and get a halfway 50% dB test. Okay, guys, we're pulling right around 1200 watts. We're going to do a dB test halfway, 50%. $58.4. Sounds real good. Right up on it. Here we go. We're going to put 1 minute on the microwave. Whoa, there you go. That's overload. $65. I don't see the overload light. Still sound pretty good. Did not overload. Went all the way up to 3000. I want to try that again. This time I want to see the voltage it goes down to. I want to see if there's any voltage drop. Let's try that again. We're going to put 1 more minute. There you go, back up to 3,000. There you go, guys. The Honda 120 volts at 3,000 watts. Absolutely zero voltage drop. 26.4 amps. It's rated for 21.7. There you go. Microwave went out. AC still running. Okay, I'll come over here and I'll turn off Eco Throttle. I'll turn on the second AC. There you go. Absolutely no problem. Yeah, so if you want to run 2 AC, you're just going to have to turn your Eco Throttle off and it handles it with no problem. 2005 80. So that's 2 ACs and the refrigerator. All right, so 2 AC in the refrigerator, absolutely no problem. Turn that off. Eco Throttle back on. All right, guys, there you have it. I gave you the DB test at 25%, 50%, and 100%. This thing puts out absolutely perfect power at full load. All right, it's rated for 21.7 amps, and I got way past that. All right, 2800, I've got almost 3,000. All right, both ACs off. Now we're gonna unplug so we can shut off. All right, guys, there you have it. The Honda 3200i, fuel injected. Okay, guys, I hope you like this test. Guys, if you like this test, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You just saw the Honda 3200 performed flawlessly at full load. The only thing we had to turn off eco mode to get this 2 AC to kick on. I don't know why that happened. It just doesn't have that pop it needs to turn the 2 AC on in eco mode. That's the only thing I did not like. But other than that, I give it a pass. Absolutely full power and no voltage drop. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this review. Have a nice day. Bye.